Yeah, hi friends. So now today I will show you about the Lions District app. So you go to Apple Store, Apple Play Store, or if you have the Android phone, then you can go to Play Store and search this 3231A3. So district 3231A3, and you will see this district applications. So as I have already installed it, so that's why you are seeing here open. Otherwise on your mobile you will see install. So you can install that, and after that open it. Then you will see here, as I have already logged in. Otherwise, if you are new to this application, you will see the login. So just enter your membership ID. You can log in from here, and OTP you will get on your mobile mail ID or your mobile number. So after that it will ask for your to update your profile, so membership number and name. Then you do next. So this way you can update about your Twitter account, LinkedIn account, Instagram, Facebook, then blood group, birthday, anniversaries, then your short introduction or biography, and it is saved. Similarly, you can upload your business profile also. The main interesting feature I like about this mobile app is its directory, where you can connect and collaborate with any line member of the district. For example, I am pressing this district governor. So with district governor, if I have to call him, so I can call. If I have to send message, SMS, I can send message. If I want to send WhatsApp, it will go to WhatsApp chat. If I want to send mail, it will go to mail application. If the user has filled his or her social media profile, then you can click to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn account. You can get the basic details or contact details and business details of any member. So here you can see from district, it is district governor, immediate past district governor, first vice district governor, second PR team, LCIF team, marketing team, advisors, ZCs, RCs, district chairperson. So anyone you can connect. For example, I press this region chairperson. So all these are the region chairperson I can connect directly from here. And if I want to go to any club from here, for example, I press north. So I'll see this Bombay Khar North or Bombay North Bombay. So if you press Bombay North Bombay, I will see all this president, secretary, treasurer, and here I can connect with them. So this is really interesting feature. So any club president, secretary, or any other lion member I can connect with. Similarly, here others information like international directors from India or past international directors. So all these details are given here. Multiple or executive officers of Lions Club International. So this is really very interesting feature to connect with any lion member of the district 3231A3, and no need to store anyone's number or no need to ask anyone. So you can directly find out and connect with any line member of the district from this mobile app only. It is very handy. In networking, you can find business also. You can, for example, construction business. These are the people in the construction business. You can connect with any member. Now here you can see this activity button. So to upload the service activity and to integrate with the Lions portal, only president, secretary, and club administrator can do this. So it is not visible to me because I am not the club president or secretary or club admin. but they will see here to upload that. But any line member can upload any event or activity here on district wall. For example, here write to district wall. So I can write about any event, then select photo, upload photo or YouTube link, I can post it, and that will go to district wall. So you can see here my wall post. So this is my wall post. So similarly you will also see. So these two are very interesting feature for all the line members, and it is really very nice. And if you seek any support, please do contact me. I will help you either on mobile app, district mobile app, or Lions portal.